What is the Holy Spirit's job description? That's what Jesus details for us in John chapter 16. We're told in verse 7 that he is, quote, our helper. Now, there are a number of ways to translate that word paraclete in Greek. You could translate the word comforter, or you could translate it one who comes alongside of another, or encourager, or maybe my favorite, advocate. Regardless of which word we choose, the title expresses the same thing. The Holy Spirit is with you to help you. Number 2, we're told he convicts. Now, a synonym for the word is exposed or cross-examine. How interesting that in one verse, the Holy Spirit is referred to as an advocate, but in another verse in the same chapter, he is pictured as cross-examiner. And the truth is, he is both. When our consciences are weighed down by our sin, he is our advocate. But when we're seeking to justify ourselves by denying our sin, he is our cross-examiner. He is cross-examiner of the world in regard to 3 things: sin, righteousness, and judgment. And finally, number 3 times in John 16, he is referred to as one who declares. Specifically, he declares to us all truth revealed by Jesus. He also declares to us what is to come, reminding us Jesus is coming again. And most importantly, he declares to us the glory of Jesus. All that said, Christian, the Spirit is with you to help you, convict you, and declare to you he is with you right now. Whether you're at your lowest low or your highest high, the Spirit says you are not alone.